Welcome to FX Street. Today we are going to be talking about Chainlink's price action performing a perfect technical breakout trade. But before we dive into the technicals, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto to be updated on the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency market. Looking at Chainlink today, we see, I'm going to instantly zoom in what we are targeting today, and that is the fact that although with this green uptrend we saw a bit of a false breakout and then a pullback and then another break below yesterday even, but today with this red descending trend line that has been predicting the downtrend since beginning of February, clear break with even an price opening above this red trend line. So that means a lot of investors, a lot of money has put into this trade for bulls to ramp up price action, and which is reflected as well, as you can see here, by this very steep slope in the relative strength index, ready to pop above 50. Still a bit of room to go. If we look at where the price opened this morning, we still have around 8 or 9% to go. That won't be feasible intraday with the Fed coming out this afternoon, but expect certainly by Friday, possibly, if these positive tailwinds keep persisting, as long as peace talks are still ongoing and positive headlines are keeping out, expect possibly a pop then, and we come in this chunky area here where we then have, here we go, let me mark this up, this one here. So give it a little bit of a color. So this chunky area around $15, where we have this historical level going all the way back to 24th of May. Next to that, you have the monthly pivot just above $15. And then you have the 55-day simple moving average intersecting with that monthly pivot. So that will be a very hard, tough nut to crack to the top side with this triple cap per se. But on the other hand, it makes a perfect scope that if you could see a bounce later on next week on the green ascending trend line, gaining momentum for a swing back, and then possibly by the end of next week, $18.20 could be in the cards there. Of course, should sentiment shift overnight with another further escalation of any violence in Ukraine, expect then again a drop below the green and a drop below the red descending trend line, and that would mean that this red descending line then kicks back into gear as resistance. As we had a clear break above, expect then a clear break below, and this performing its role again as being a resistance guide to the downside, and possibly we could see then a squeeze towards those $11.21 of 35 with the low here from 24th of February and the monthly as support for the moment, averting any drop below $10. That's it for Chainlink for today. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street.